prendre,
to take.
In this video, we will learn the verb to take in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi.
This is a third group verb, and one of the most important verbs in French. If you learn how to conjugate this verb, you will automatically learn some more important verbs, like
apprendre,
means to learn,
comprendre,
To understand,
surprendre,
to surprise,
reprendre.
to retake. Let's see the rules to conjugate this verb. The conjugation is similar to regular verbs that we learned, except for plural forms. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I take,
Je prends,
you take,
informal way,
tu prends,
he takes,
masculine,
il prend,
she takes,
feminine,
elle prend,
we take,
or one takes,
informal way,
on prend,
we take, formal way,
nous prenons,
you take,
formal way,
vous prenez,
they take, group of males or mixed people,
ils prennent,
they take, group of only females,
elles prennent,
This French verb is used to express the action of grabbing, seizing, or acquiring something physically.
Additionally, it is employed in various contexts to convey the idea of adopting a stance, consuming food or drink, and even taking a means of transportation. Let's use the conjugations and build some sentences. I take a glass of water.
Je prends un verre d'eau. Je prends un verre d'eau.
You take a photo.
Tu prends une photo. Tu prends une photo.
He takes a book.
Il prend un livre. Il prend un livre.
She takes an apple.
Elle prend une pomme. Elle prend une pomme.
We take the bus.
On prend le bus. On prend le bus.
We take the train.
Nous prenons le train. Nous prenons le train.
You take coffee.
Vous prenez du café. Vous prenez du café.
They take sandwiches.
Ils prennent des sandwichs. Ils prennent des sandwichs.
They take a break.
Elles prennent une pause. Elles prennent une pause.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I take.
Je prends.
You take. Informal way.
Tu prends.
He takes.
Masculine.
Il prend.
She takes.
Feminine.
Elle prend.
We take.
Or one takes.
Informal way.
On prend.
We take. Formal way.
Nous prenons.
You take.
Formal way.
Vous prenez.
They take. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils prennent.
They take. Group of only females.
Elles prennent.
Verbs that follow the same pattern are listed here.
We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing.
Goodbye for now, and see you in next video.
Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button.
Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.